Merry Christmas, Mr. Alan.
Hey my friends, this is the Christmas morning, actually 6 a.m. and outside there is still the darkness outside. But I feel something, maybe Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus in my house. Let's see my friends. I don't know, I search everywhere in my house, in every parts of my house, and now are in my basement. Near close to my toy room, because in each other room in my house no gift, because I have a Christmas tree in my living room, no gift. But I remember that I have another Christmas tree right here. Yes, I'm not in a good outfit because I'm with my pajama, so with my robe also, because it's in the night, guys. Outside, take a look outside in this window. There is a crazy cat, but there's nothing. It's because it's dark. It's 6 a.m. in the morning in the winter, so it's dark. Let's go. The last room that I need to check out to understand if will be something for me for the Christmas night is this one, the guard room. There we go, guys. Yes, my friends, I'm in my toy room. Yes. And maybe there's something for me. Yes, guys. Yes! Yes! There's something for me, my friends! I'm very happy, my friends. I underneath the Christmas tree, like a Christmas gift myself. La 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 la. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, yeah! Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus! I won't open this box, guys, yeah! So guys, I won't see what I got for my Christmas night right now, guys, from Santa Claus. Santa. I am very excited, my friends. I like a little kids tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, la 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 la. I won't wrap this stuff, I won't see which stuff I got inside this, which stuff. From the North Pole, guys. Can't wait to discover which figure I got inside this Christmas gift in the Christmas night to me, my friends, to celebrate the Christmas, the holidays together, my friends, and more is coming tonight on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe as usual and hit notification bell, my friends. In the Christmas night is a good reason to become member of this channel, my friends. Join the channel as a member to share with me your collection, become my patron, subscribe. But now let's enjoy this stuff. In the dark night of Christmas, the holy night, what I got inside the box, my friends? What is my Christmas gift? What is my Christmas gift, my eyes? Can't wait to see what I got from Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Yes, guys, it's something that I'm looking for a while, my friends. Something pretty rare. Take a look. It's the Diamond Select Toy Muppets, the super rare 3-pack. Take a look, guys, the 3-pack with Kermit, Robin, and Bean. It's awesome, my friends. Wow, guys. I know it's Christmas night, it's holiday, but I want to share with you tonight, my friends. Absolutely, I want to do a review for this in another video, obviously, because I need to set up my studio for that in 6 a.m. in the morning, in the Christmas, my friends, in the Christmas night, the Christmas morning, actually. So guys, don't go away. because tonight is coming in a few minutes the review of this awesome 3-pack Muppet Select from Diamond Select Toys. Can't wait! Finally, I've covered, my friends! Merry Christmas, my friends!